Hi, this is Alan Krevis, along with my colleague Kathi Jacob, and today we'll be taking a tour of our newest exclusive here at 15 West 72nd Street. Entering apartment 36A, you are instantly captivated by the extensive view of the Upper West Side, the Hudson River, and New Jersey beyond. This is a spacious 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom apartment with flexible floor plan, which has recently been renovated. In New York City, it is truly rare to have a wall of windows stretching throughout the entire apartment, all with stunning views of the Hudson River and beyond. The open kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a sub-zero refrigerator, and built-in wine cooler flows directly into a dining area which can easily seat 8 people. Lots of countertop space along with a separate kitchen island which can be used for eating, workspace, looking, and enjoying. The primary bedroom, with its wall of windows and ensuite windowed bathroom, is inclusive of an impressively sized walk-in closet designed by California Closets. This room is great for watching the sunset, as is the entire apartment. The roomy second bedroom home office also has a wall of windows, light-filled with views that simply take your breath away. Mayfair Towers is an established full-service cooperative offering 24-hour door persons, concierge service, a dedicated valet and tailor, fitness center, landscape roof deck with wraparound views of New York City, a playground, a bike and storage room, as well as on-site parking garage. Next door to the famed Dakota residences and across from Central Park, 15 West 72nd Street, is one of those perfect addresses.